Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the tool deals, some clearance deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got some mowers here. I believe these are the newer ones because I never seen these before. You got front wheel drive, self-propelled. So there's a new thing, I guess, on these mowers. This is, I believe, this one's Honda. According to what it says here, it's Honda, so it's actually pretty decent, pretty good. It's $3.99, so a big drop on these prices over the years. I remember when I used to be young, you know, a mower like this was like $600, especially with those Honda engines. And then this one's Briggs & Stratton. $3.49. So this one's pretty much the same thing, but with the Briggs & Stratton. And then you got the push mower there, the cheaper one. This is the clearance section here that they had. They only had a few items labeled. This one they had it down to $49.06 from $99. Uses units runs to spec. So it's $50 for pretty much a brand new weed whacker there, worth $100 when it was brand new. And all they had left was these, but they no labels on these. Same thing with this power washer, no labels on that. The only one they had a label was that. And also, every time you see something like this on clearance, and if you're really interested in it, make sure you look around for the tags. If you don't see any tags, make sure you take it to an associate. Make sure they you have them scan it, because sometimes it'll be like really low and nobody will know about it. Alright, so we got the circ saw. This is a 5 3/8. This is one of the tools that you have to buy and receive this battery kit for free. So you can receive a 5 and a 3 charger for free with the purchase of any tool. So this is one of the tools you guys could purchase. Here's another tool you guys could purchase. This is the hammer drill. Yes, guys, this is a hammer drill in 12 volts. Very powerful little drill. Same thing with that circ saw. All these little tools here, the 12 volt tools, they're pretty much a little beast there. Alright, so you got this impact wrench, to the 3/8 impact wrench brushless. $69, down from $99. A lot of these are still on clearance. They're not as low. They used to be lower, but they raised the price a little bit. So got the drill driver kit, $90. You got the hammer drill, $69. It's been $69 for like the past month. So if you could find them, if you're on the line, make sure you pick them up because they might go up in price. Got $55 on this. This is a really good deal on this one. So $55 on this impact driver. Regular price is $79. Got $83 on the circ saw. It's a brushless circ saw, down from $119. Those are the items, 1631796. Alright, then this one's $69. This is my brushless angle grinder. So 1631795. Then $40. This is $40. The 2-tool comic with the circ saw. Regular price $149. So if you're able to get that or find it at your store, you'll be lucky. Yes, guys, Lowe's is using Ryobi. Isn't that crazy? Alright, so you got 1057 SDS 5. Says some bits here. This is SDS Plus. These are some drill bits for concrete. So I ended up picking me a set of these because those are really expensive. For $10, they're like pretty much a free. I should have just taken both of those. Then they got this one down to $229 from $279. This is the new Power Stack combo, 2-tool combo kit. It's a good deal on that. And then this one's down to $179 from $229. So the flex pole, 24 volts, half an inch, with the turbo. So this thing's a beast, guys. It's a beast. So you got $199 down from $249. So flex 24 volt, half an inch hammer drill kit with the turbo. So this one's top of the line. I do have this one. This one is massively a beast. Alright, so you got the, what is this, a 7-tool combo kit or 6-tool combo kit. $4.99. That's a really good deal on this one. These are great quality tools. $5.49. I believe they did extend the warranty on these, like a lifetime warranty if you buy them. I don't know if they're still under warranty, but you can still get like a 3 or a 5 year warranty depending on on what they have now. So $199 on a paddle switch angle grinder. Guys, if you guys find these, make sure you guys scan them. Have somebody scan these. Some of you been reporting that you guys are getting like these for like $5. So if you guys see them for $5, just pick them up. That's just a crazy deal right there. Alright, so 800-pound load capacity aluminum truck rack. So this is down to $299. Make sure you guys look at your stores. It might be dropped even cheaper. And they got some ramps here. So these are really nice, especially if if you got motorcycles and stuff like that, ATVs. So this says right there, $79.98. Carry on folding ramps. Then this vacuum's 8-gallon. I know we've seen this before in my videos. 3.5 horsepower. It's down to just under $40. So it's a really good deal on this one if you need just a cheap shop vac. Then they got this trim and blower there. And then this one's really cheap. $15, guys, for a weed whacker, electric weed whacker, and it says it works. So that's a good deal on this one, Black & Decker. Then they got this remote control here, universal 2-in-1 remote control, $5 down from $20. So that's a good deal on this one. Then they got the bandsaw here, $179. You get yourself a free tool or free starter kit. So that's a good deal on that if you guys need it. You guys do a lot of plumbing and stuff like that. And then these are on clearance, guys. Make sure you guys watch because these are going to drop in price, especially here on the hotter states here in Phoenix. These things are going to drop like flies. Basically, they're going to drop all the way down because nobody's going to buy them. It's actually already getting warm enough here so you don't wear a jacket. So $139. Got the one-handed reciprocating saw. It's a 12 volt. You buy this. This is actually a pretty good deal. You get the 2 batteries and the charger for one. So that's a really good deal on this one. Guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. Just want to show you guys what's going on. If I go to another store, I'll make another video. So guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.